There are a lot of games played in esports and new games are constantly being added in the scene. Here are some of the few examples that are currently played at a professional level. League of Legends, a popular multiplayer online battle arena game developed by Riot Games. Dota 2, another popular MOBA game developed and published by Valve Corporation. Counter-Strike Global Offensive, a first-person shooter game developed and published by Valve Corporation. Overwatch, a team-based first-person shooter game developed by Blizzard Entertainment. Fortnite, a battle royale game developed by Epic Games. Call of Duty, a first-person shooter game developed by Activision. Rocket League, a vehicular soccer game developed and published by Psyonix. Hearthstone, a digital collectible card game developed and published by Blizzard Entertainment. One of my favorite games, PUBG, a battle royale game published and developed by PUBG Corporation. These were few of the examples, and many other games are being played at a professional level in esports. It is worth noting that the games may come in and out of popularity over time.